guys, welcome back to another amazing tutorial. Make sure you like my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, and do not forget to turn on your notification button to receive notification whenever I post new amazing tutorials. So in this tutorial video, I will show you how to make a click to call button using only Elementor, no additional plugin. You just use your Elementor, and in the next 1 to 2 minutes we are done with it. So now, if I should open, I've created a page, a blank page on my Elementor page builder. So I've created this button right here, and this is what we'll be doing. Let me just refresh my sample. So if I should refresh my sample, if I should click on this button, can you see? So I have my phone connected, so I can just click from the desktop, and my phone, on my phone, it would need to call. If I just click on it, let me show you what will happen on my phone. Let me show you what will happen on my phone. Let me just show you. So if I should click on this, straight away, so it's sending to my phone. So it's sending. So what's my phone? Can you see? On my phone I have this. Can you see? Automatically I have this on my phone. So now that's that for that. On my phone, can you see what I have on my phone? So now, if I can also, let us now look at how to make this button. So let me just delete this right here. Let me update. So you see I don't have anything on my website again, so it's been deleted. So can you see my website is blank? So let me add a button. So just come to your Elementor page builder, drag and drop your button. So can you see my button? I can just add over here, let's say call to order. Maybe I'm having an install, so I can just write call to order. I can add an icon here, over here, click on this to add an icon. I can just add phone. So I can add phone, click insert. So you can move your icon position to after or before anyone. So I think I love this. So what do you need to do? What you need to do is simple. Just write in your link tab, just write tel, T-E-L, then colon, then space, then put in the phone number you want to put. So make sure you write the number using your country code. So I'm in Nigeria and my country code is +234. So I'll just insert +234, then put in my number 80281923337. So once I put in my number, I will update. So once I update and I reload my website, can you see I have my button click to order? So once I just click to order, can you see? So because I'm using a desktop, I can send the number to my phone directly, or I can just use an app. That's an application. Any application that you have on your system, you can use to make call, so you can choose it. So let me show you what I have on my phone. So if I should load that same page on my phone, so if I should load the same page on my phone, let's see what we have. So my phone page is loading. So yeah, my phone page is loaded. So what I just need to do is what? Click on this button on my phone. So once I click on this button on my phone, can you see that? Wow, so it leads you to your phone dialer, so you can just call exactly. So that's how you make a click to call button using your Elementor. If you know you love this tutorial, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you like this video, make sure you share it, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.